Delhi is a food lover's dream, especially if you're a vegetarian. From street food that bursts with flavor to restaurants offering innovative vegetarian dishes, the city has it all. Join us as we explore the 10 best places to eat vegetarian food in Delhi. Sarvana Bhavan, Connaught Place. First on our list is Sarvana Bhavan, a haven for South Indian food lovers. Located in the heart of Connaught Place, this popular chain is famous for its authentic dosas, idlis, and vadas. Their crispy masala dosa, paired with flavorful sambar and coconut chutney, is a must-try. Govinda's, ISKCON Temple, east of Kailash. Next up is Govinda's, located within the ISKCON Temple. This pure vegetarian restaurant offers a delightful buffet with a variety of Indian and international dishes, all prepared without onion and garlic. It's a peaceful dining experience where you can savor dishes made with love and devotion. Satwak, select City Walk, Saket for a more upscale dining experience. Satwak in Saket offers a fine dining take on vegetarian cuisine. The menu blends traditional Indian flavors with a modern twist, using high-quality ingredients to create dishes that are both healthy and delicious. Don't miss their signature dishes like the Dal Satwak and Paneer Tikka. Haldiram's, Chandni Chowk. No vegetarian food tour of Delhi is complete without a visit to Haldiram's in Chandni Chowk. This legendary eatery offers a wide variety of traditional Indian snacks and sweets, from spicy chaat and crispy bhatures to delicious jalebis and rasgullas. It's the perfect spot to indulge in some authentic street food in a clean, comfortable setting. Carnatic Cafe, New Friends Colony. For a taste of Karnataka's culinary delights, head to Carnatic Cafe in New Friends Colony. Known for its authentic dosas with a twist, this cafe offers some of the best South Indian food in the city. Try the Malleshwaram 18th Cross Dosa, a crispy delight filled with a flavorful potato mix and topped with spicy chutney. Navadyam, Horse Caste. Navadyam in Horse Caste is a must-visit for those seeking authentic South Indian flavors in a traditional setting. The restaurant is known for its thalis, which offer a complete meal with a variety of dishes. Their idlis and dosas are always a hit, served with an assortment of chutneys and sambar. Bikanerwala, multiple locations. With multiple locations across Delhi, Bikanerwala is a go-to spot for all things vegetarian. From spicy chaats and samosas to indulgent sweets like rasgullas and gulab jamuns, Bikanerwala offers something for everyone. It's the perfect place to grab a quick bite or satisfy your sweet tooth. Iamli, Rajendra Place. For a fun and quirky dining experience, visit Iamli at Rajendra Place. This vegetarian restaurant is housed in a train-like structure, serving street food from all over India. From Mumbai's Vada Pav to Delhi's Golgappas, Iamli offers a journey through India's diverse street food culture, all in one place. Veg Gulati, Pandara Road. Veg Gulati on Pandara Road is a favorite among those who love rich, flavorful North Indian vegetarian food. Known for its creamy dal makhani, paneer dishes, and an array of Indian breads, Veg Gulati offers a satisfying and hearty meal in a cozy, refined setting. Jan Chawal Wale, Connaught Place. Last but not least, Jan Chawal Wale in Connaught Place is the go-to spot for a quick, delicious, and affordable vegetarian meal. Famous for its Rajma Chawal and Chole Bhature, this no-frills eatery serves hearty North Indian comfort food that's perfect for a quick lunch or a filling dinner. From South Indian delights to North Indian classics, Delhi is a vegetarian food lover's dream come true. Whether you are in the mood for street food or fine dining, these 10 places offer some of the best vegetarian dishes in the city. So, the next time you're in Delhi, make sure to treat your taste buds to these culinary gems.